Welcome! If you're looking to tidy up your Facebook home feed and want to remove a group post that's showing up, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to remove a group post from your home on Facebook using your PC, all according to the latest update. Let's get started. First, open up your preferred web browser and head over to facebook.com. Make sure you're logged in with your account. Once you're on your Facebook homepage, you'll notice a mix of posts from friends, pages, and groups you're a part of. Now, scroll through your feed until you find the group post you want to remove. It could be a post from a group you joined a while ago, or maybe something that just doesn't interest you anymore. Don't worry, you don't have to leave the group or block anyone to clean up your feed. Once you've found the post, take a look at the top right corner of that post. You'll see a small X icon. This is the new feature Facebook has introduced to help you control what you see on your home feed. Click on that X icon. As soon as you do, Facebook will remove that specific group post from your home feed. You might also see an option to give feedback or to snooze posts from that group for a certain period, but simply clicking the X will take the post away instantly. That's it. You've just removed a group post from your home on Facebook. It's that quick and easy. This method is perfect if you want to keep your home feed relevant and clutter-free without making any permanent changes to your group memberships. If you found this guide helpful, consider checking out more tips on customizing your Facebook experience. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your cleaner, more personalized feed.